In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Facebook lead form with Zapier in just 5 minutes. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to automate your lead management process effortlessly. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, head over to Zapier's website. It's an essential tool that connects your apps together in automated workflows so you can focus on the important stuff. Once the page loads, you'll notice the Log In button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. If you have an existing account, you can choose to log in using your credentials, but if you're new, I recommend using your Google account for a quick and easy login process. After logging in, you'll land on Zapier's homepage. Here, look for and click on the Create button. This is where the magic begins, as you'll start creating what Zapier calls a Zap. A Zap is basically an automated workflow consisting of a trigger and an action. Now, to get started with setting up your Zap, click on the Zaps option, which should be easily accessible on the dashboard. Next, initiate the process by choosing a trigger. The trigger is the event that sets your Zap into motion. For this setup, you'll want to click on Facebook lead ads. As the purpose here is to capture new leads automatically, make sure this selection is spot on. Once you click on it, Zapier will prompt you to choose a specific event. From the available options, select new lead. This selection essentially tells Zapier to keep an eye out for any new leads captured in your Facebook lead forms. Now, you'll need to sign into your Facebook account if you haven't already. Once signed in, do a quick test to make sure everything is connected properly. This practice goes a long way in ensuring that your setup is solid before you move on. Having set the trigger, your next step is to implement an action. This is where you define what happens after a new lead is captured. Start by clicking on the Action tab. From there, opt for email as the intended follow-up action. After that, you'll want to choose the event Send Outbound Email. This ensures that whenever a new lead is recorded, an email is instantly sent out as a notification, saving you a lot of manual work and time. To wrap things up, do another test to confirm everything is functioning as you've set it up. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit publish to make your Zap live. That's it, you've now connected your Facebook lead form with Zapier. Sit back and let this powerful automation handle the tedious tasks for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Make sure to check out our other guides for more efficient automation tips.